Well, the Miami Heat dancers, part of this NBA Asia extravaganza. Lolo, easy lang. Easy lang, Lolo, easy. Okay.
But the fans are getting a treat. I mean, this is what the NBA experience is all about. You've got these fine-looking dancers showing their stuff, and look at them go.
You don't have to stand up every time they hit the floor. It's okay. We can see them well sitting down. I don't know why do you have to keep